We, meaning your elected officers, have been working on this campaign for 3 months now, and we are really proud of it. This campaign will focus on the benefits of opening up your camera in class. There are strict consequences in school for not opening up your camera, and we want to make sure those are apparent, but we also want to make sure that the students know the benefits of opening up their camera as well. So this campaign is for the students who need that little extra push, that one extra reason, that one extra benefit to open up their cameras, be brave, be present in their classes every single day.
And one benefit of having your camera on is that it helps students focus and avoid distractions. I know for me it could be tempting to just get on my phone during class or walk around the house, but by having my camera on, I ensure that I'm present and that I'm paying attention because I wouldn't want the teachers to see me distracted during class. So make sure to have your cameras on.
I'm going to be talking about one reason why we should always have our cameras open during class. Being in online school, we don't really get much time to talk with our friends, but if you open our cameras, we can bond with them. Plus, we also get to meet new students. Cameras on to be with friends. Let's make this a trend.
A benefit is that it encourages students to arrive early or on time to their class. This is because when we open up our cameras, we have to brush our teeth, do our hair, put on our clothes, which gives you more of a sense that you have to arrive early so the teacher can see you, and it also gives us a feeling that we're going to school presently.
My topic for my video is how having your camera on contributes to a positive mental health. One reason for this is it allows us to stay connected as a Robinson School family. Another reason for this, it helps us to feel like we're attending class like in person and also staying connected with our teachers and friends.
Here's a challenge for you. The next time you go onto your online classes, try to get all your materials beside you, try to get all your books near, and you already know what I'm about to say. Turn on your camera. And don't forget, hashtag ready, get set, cameras on.
This campaign has been really important to me. It's been something I'm really proud of. I know it's been something that all of the class officers in middle school have been really proud of, and we are so excited to share it with you. I hope you really are receptive to it, and we hope it encourages at least some students to open up them cameras because it is so important. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Bye.